If you have a Facebook account, which nearly everybody does these days, you will be surprised how many different ways Facebook/Meta tracks you and your activity both on Facebook as well as outside of Facebook. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do to identify the various ways that Meta/Facebook is tracking you and how to turn those off. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head into the settings of your iPhone. Of course, you can do this on Android or computer as well. Let's make sure that it doesn't have access to things that it should not have access to. So let's scroll down from here and tap on Privacy and Security. After you've done that, scroll down again until you find the option that says App Privacy Report and tap on that. After you've done that, let's scroll down again and tap on Facebook midway down. You can see Facebook owned by Meta and domains contacted directly by this app. And you can go to all of these and identify all of these domains that were contacted by Facebook. You can see July 23rd, 2026, 17 times this domain, 15 times this domain, 14, 12, etc. It's contacting all of these domains, and this is just today. So let's help prevent Facebook from doing that and lock it down. Tap the back arrow and then the back arrow again. And within privacy and security, you can either go through it this way, or it's a little bit easier to get to the Facebook settings by going all the way back to the beginning. Tap on search, and we're going to search for Facebook and tap on the Facebook app. Now, on here, it says allow Facebook to access, and you can see your location, photos, local network, microphone, camera, Apple Intelligence, search, live activities, etc. Now, on all of these, I would recommend setting it to as restrictive as possible. Of course, keeping in mind that you might want to give it access to photos if you upload photos, etc. But I have turned location access to never. I've turned off local network and my microphone. I've enabled my camera, but Apple Intelligence, I would recommend turning this off. And then go back out of here. You can go to search and turn that off as well. And then you can turn off notifications and live activities. I would recommend turning off, as well as background app refresh. Now, we've done everything within the settings app of your iPhone. However, there are a number of different things in the Facebook app itself. So let's open up Facebook or the facebook.com website, and let's restrict that as well. So we need to get to your settings. On my iPhone, you can see menu at the bottom right. Just tap on that. However, on your device, you might see the menu icon or three lines at the top left or top right. After you've done that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings at the top. After you've gotten to your settings, tap on Accounts Center at the top. And the first thing we're going to go to is your information and permissions. You can see it shows all of your information that is stored on Facebook/Meta. The first thing that we're going to do is scroll down and tap on Your Activity off Meta Technologies. It says your activity includes all of the information that businesses and organizations share with us about your interactions. These are basically when you visit a third-party website, it will notify Meta that you have visited that website. So if you look for a TV on bestbuy.com, they will tell Meta, aka sell that information to Meta, and they'll use that. So I would recommend clearing previous activity and hitting clear, and then clear. But not only that, after we've done that, tap the back arrow and hit disconnect specific activity. You might need to enter in your password here, so just autofill that password if you don't already know it. Let me just autofill mine real quick and hit continue. And from here, you'll be able to see used for your account, and there might be various profiles in here that are used, and if you see any recent activity, make sure to disconnect it. After you've done that, let's tap the back arrow and tap Manage Future Activity as well. and choose disconnect future activity. It says we'll disconnect information that businesses and organizations send Meta/Facebook about your interactions. So just hit continue and hit disconnect future activity. We've done that, but that's not everything. Let's go back because there are a number of other things as well. For instance, app connections. We can tap on that and check to see what apps are currently connected to Facebook. If there are apps that you don't use, I would disconnect those apps. And then tap the back arrow here. And after you've done that, you can go to external accounts. And again, if you have any external accounts, make sure to remove those as well. Now, after we've done all of those things, we need to control the advertising on Facebook and how Facebook uses your advertising information. Of course, Facebook/Meta makes all of their money on ads. So let's tap on Ad Preferences midway down. After you tapped on Ad Preferences, you can see it says advertisers you saw, ad activity, etc. Lots of information they've gathered about you. Tap on Manage Info at the top right, and let's choose Categories Used to Reach You. You can see all of the categories. In my case, it's not using my employer or my education, but it is using my birthday, and it's using the various devices that I have. So I would recommend going through all of these and hitting Remove, and just keep going through and tapping Remove until you've gone through every single one of these and removed all of these categories associated with you that advertisers are using to target ads to you. After you've hit the remove button on all of those, tap the back arrow and then tap on activity from other businesses. Now this is a really big one. It says choose if we can use your activity sent from other businesses to show you relevant content, aka relevant ads. So I would switch this to don't allow us to use this activity and hit confirm. Next thing we're going to do is go down and go to audience-based advertising. These are all of the ads that have said they want to advertise to you. So you can see a long list of all of these companies essentially that want to advertise to me. So I can tap on any of these if I don't want them to basically be using my information. And you can see Facebook page and tap on why you are included. And you can choose hide ads here if you don't want to get ads from that advertiser targeting you. And then of course you can tap on manage your off meta activity and make sure to hit that this is cleared and disconnected. After we've done that, let's tap the back arrow here a couple times. And after you've gone through this list, tap the back arrow, and now you can see not using this information, not using, etc., which is great to see. Next, we're going to hit the social interactions. And essentially what this does is it says we can use your social interactions on pages, account tags, app usage, etc. to target you for better ads. So tap on your account here, and instead of friends, it says who can see your social interaction alongside ads. Switch this to only me. After you've done that, tap the back arrow here, and you can see we've gone through all of these options within the ad preferences. Now, the next thing that I would recommend doing is you can potentially lock down your profile or set your profile to completely private. To do that, get out of the account center, and I would recommend scrolling down until you get to how people find and contact you, as well as profile and tagging and followers. I would recommend going through several of these and setting them to as restrictive as possible. For instance, the profile and tagging. Who can post on my profile? Set to only me. Essentially just go through these and on every single one, set it to as restrictive as possible. Ideally, just only me. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.